In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. We'll keep this process simple and straightforward so you can connect both tools without confusion. If you use HubSpot to manage customer relationships and ClickUp to organize tasks and projects, this integration can help keep your work more connected and efficient. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're signing into the correct workspace or portal where you want the integration to be added. This is important because if you have access to multiple accounts, you'll want to install ClickUp in the right one from the start. Once you're inside HubSpot, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so all menu options are visible. Next, head over to the marketplace in HubSpot. This is where HubSpot hosts its available app integrations, and it's the section you'll use whenever you want to connect third-party tools to your CRM. Depending on your HubSpot layout, the marketplace may be accessible from the main navigation menu or through the app settings area. Take your time here and make sure you've opened the app marketplace, since that's where the ClickUp integration can be found. Once you're in the marketplace, use the search bar to look for ClickUp. Type in the app name carefully and select the correct result when it appears. You may see an app listing that includes a short description, ratings, or setup details. It's a good idea to quickly review the listing so you can confirm you found the official ClickUp integration and understand what the connection supports. After that, click the install option and then log into your ClickUp account when prompted. This step allows HubSpot and ClickUp to connect securely. During this part of the setup, you may be asked to approve permissions. Be sure to review those permissions so you understand what data and actions the integration will be able to access. Then continue through the login and authorization flow until the connection is complete. And that's it. Once installed, HubSpot and ClickUp should now be connected. If the integration doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to finish syncing or refresh the page. It's also helpful to verify that you use the correct ClickUp account during login, especially if you manage more than one workspace. By following these steps, you can quickly set up the integration and start bringing your CRM and project management workflows closer together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.